Hey, good day, everybody. Santa Clarita. Today is the 14th, of course, of July. We are at Sunday. I'm Connor McIver. We have Santa Clarita open houses. This is your daily real estate update. I will talk about what's happening right now. We have a total of 465 active units on the market for sale. This is going to span the width. Single family residences, condominiums, townhomes, coming soon properties 15, 84 new listings have been posted in the past 7 days. 64 properties have had their prices changed. That is a big number as far as what's happening in the market. So I've noticed two trends that have been happening over the past several days. It's just not enough time to be able to make a determination as to what kind of impact that's going to have on the future real estate market. But I will tell you, I've noticed we are higher in inventory than we've been in over 2 years, active inventory for sale. In addition, Santa Clarita, we have noticed a large amount of price changes. And some people in some markets, price changes are actually up. In this particular market, the majority, and I mean a large majority, almost 90%, are reductions in listing price. What that basically means is these sellers out there have had their properties on the market for a particular amount of time. Back in the day, during the last foreclosure cycle, the banks typically looked at about a 30-day period. So within 30 days, if that property didn't make it into escrow or didn't have any offers or anything else, because sometimes properties get offers right out of the chute, buyers get cold feet, change their mind, whatever it is, then those banks will put those properties back on the market as foreclosure scenarios. That's what I'm talking about currently. But that's their standard, about 30 days. If in fact there have been no offers, no activity besides basic showings. The same thing would apply here, but a lot of these price changes are happening before that 30-day mark, 2 or 3 weeks, and that would kind of indicate a little bit of seller panic. We'll have to watch how this trend continues. We'll also have to watch how the inventory continues to replenish the market. Currently, we're watching as the inventory is now starting to overrun the current absorption rate, and we're building inventory. But again, these numbers are only for a few days. That's when these changes have happened. If we go into the future a couple months and then at that time look at the market, which I do it every day, but we then look at that time, make those comparisons, and we have that same trend, and now we're at 600 or 700 units for sale, we will know that now the market is trending to become more of a buyer's market than where we have been for a very long time as a seller's market. I'm Connor with Honor. This has been your Sunday Santa Clarita Real Estate Update. Do me a favor, please share my show. Please tell people about Santa Clarita open houses when you have a chance. It would mean the world to me. And also reach out to me if I can help you in any way with regard to real estate. Thanks for watching this. Have a fantastic Sunday. We'll see you tomorrow. Be safe.